Hey guys, Windex here, and I am back again with a shorter video. Should be about short minutes long. I'm just gonna make that a thing. There's a guy in the back. Is my microphone good enough that it can cancel out a super loud rumble? Like that was pretty loud. So let's find out. You know, this is a good testing. It can handle furnaces. My mouse pad's dirty as ever. Like, I can feel the crumbs of, like, I don't know. My sister eats, when she plays Sims on my computer a lot, she eats bread. And toasted bread is known to be crummy. Yeah. So I can feel them. I can, like, literally feel the crumbs. Run away now. Load, come back. I'm turning down the music a lot more. Oh, there's a spy. Because I forgot to turn it down last time, or I didn't turn it down enough or something. I don't know.
That was a dead ringer spy.
Now he's a dead ringer spy.
Okay, now he's actually dead.
No, hold on, I'm gonna say the joke. Now he's a dead ringer spy. Haha! You get it? Because he's actually dead?
Yes.
Yeah, you got it. You got the joke. Bad jokes. Oh, he's looking at me. So wait till you.
Aw,
Okay, I'm
fair,
gonna
they
back
are
away now.
horrible using swords.
Scared me. I like to use the this melee. I forget what it's called. I don't know what it's called. It's Rap Assassin. I just know what it's called now. I use it because it's kind of like a more timely Boston Basher, and it's more like a ranged version. So you can just hit anyone you feel like. He's looking at me again. Is he gonna come around this corner? So, oh no. I'd rather die by this mini sentry than a heavy. You know, something automatic, I'd rather die by that. But then again, the guy could possibly have a, I am bad with names lately. It's the gun where you get crits whenever you reserve shooter. No, that's not the reserve shooter. The Frontier Justice. Yes, I haven't played this game at all. Like, this is my first time we're playing it. Just installed it. That's why I don't know any of the guns. I'm sorry. I have that problem with everything in existence. Names of people, names of anything. Anything that
300 damage to
that tells like is like a name of something. I just can't. You know? Like, so sometimes I mess up like, oh yeah, this is a spy. But I'll be like, oh there's a oh crap. Don't put me on the spot, please. Oh, they're pushing up. What do I do? Medic, you can't overheal me. Here, this is what I'll do. I'll fight one guy off at a time. And hope that... Thank you. Thank you for dying. Let's see if I can get it back. Oh, don't shoot at me. He had the direct hit. I'm safe. He doesn't have to jump up on stuff. Okay, I'm good. So, videos I'm making are going to be a poop ton shorter. Sentries are going to be a poop ton more annoying because I'm playing a scout. And the video is going to be quieter. Get a good gun. Because someone complained, and I was like, I'm going to take your advice. That's stickies. That's a good guy. No, not a bad guy. That's wasting a health pack, because I didn't really need it. And that's a heavy. That's my phone ringing. That's a spy. Oh my god. That's a guy with the direct hit that only did blast damage. Luckily, that's why I didn't die. You know, I got hit twice by it. Thank you. That's the medic. Medic's slow. I've been popped up. There's stickies around the side, but I'm gonna miss all my shots. Go back. Is the medic still there? Yeah, he's still there. Oh. He popped Uber on me. Wanted me to do something with it. I want to kill that spy though, because that spy is so... Okay, the sentry's up there. I can't go... Okay, he tried to kill me there. I'm gonna wait until... Okay, he walked away. I'm gonna wait until they push up. Hey, that's a spy. Okay, we're doing good here. We're doing good here. I'm playing it smart. I missed that jump. Thought I got a double jump. Nope, nope, nope. I ain't going down that way. I hope he doesn't see me. Medic, come by. We're gonna be a V1Vs. It's dead. I killed him. That was not a smart move. I should have not tried to attack him, especially the. Okay, they didn't notice me. I'm gonna break this sentry. Gonna be hunted down by the scout. Scout's not following me. Did he? That guy's gonna try to poke around corners. I'm gonna wait till he ignites. Alright, there he is. I'm low on health. I'm going to... I normally die when I turn corners. So, like, I was a little bit scared there. I'm gonna go back and take all the health back again. I'm getting sick again. Like, I just got over a sickness a week ago. Like, it was... You know where you know you're gonna get sick? Like, you can feel the startup of the sickness. And then you can feel, like, the climax, and then you can feel yourself getting better. Well, right now, I'm dealing with the, like the startup. But the thing is, last time I got sick, the full startup didn't happen. Like, it was in the startup stage, but it wasn't fully starting up, if that makes sense. You know, I could have stepped on like the back sticky and he would have blown himself up along with me, but I kind of wanted to see if I could make it out. I think I am starting to try and take YouTube a tad bit more serious because they're gonna try to hit me. Like the second a guy hits you, thanks for the sandwich. There's stickies around the corner. Okay, there's a sentry. Got two snipers. They should be able to cover my back. Just ignited. I don't want this to be building, please. Would be bad. Just been backstabbed. My back was against the wall. He stabbed my shoulders. Your shoulders count as a back. Weird. Let's see how this guy works. He's not doing well. Nah, he's out. I should play a soldier. Yeah. My ping's good enough to play a soldier. I'm better at demo though, but we already have a demo night, and I kind of want to play classes I'm not good at, because I'm so used to it being like, oh yeah, I'm not good, you know. I'm just gonna play as See, I could have jumped there. I tried to jump to the health pack, but I looked too far back and I scratched my ear, so I bet you also heard that rumble. That guy's taunting after killing. You know, he knows how to play sniper. His friend, though. Oh, they're like the kangaroos. They're jumping everywhere they go. He's looking back. He body shot him. I have the default shovel on for random crits. I kid you not. I like to jump at someone, shoot him once with a rocket, which increases the random crit chance. And jump right at him. Medic's gonna try to run away. There's a health pack down there, I know that as a fact. And Medic's down. The health pack wasn't enough. Let's see, like if I hit it. Yep, the second crit. Now we know there's stuff back there. I'm dead though. Maybe I should have shot at the better gun. The better soldier gun.
I like your hat.
Soldier gun, what? I have a shoulder gun. Shoulder gun, okay. He's missing all his sticks. Honestly, I kind of want to go spy. Spy would be a wise choice. Get out of here. Grab some ammo. It's a second spy. You can tell. No, he just double jumps. Never mind. Okay. So I'm gonna go as spy next, so I can sap the sentries, which they've already pushed up. So I guess my needs are not necessarily needed. Okay. See that there he is. Okay. He's gonna try to sticky spam. I hope this guy looks out for me. See, yoink. You know, get a kill. We got another round to go. Plenty of time. Hopefully this isn't a 30-minute video again. Probably will be. I'm terrible. Okay, I'm trying to make a system here. That edgy. Ooh, I'll pass. Let's see, we got two guys. He wants to rock, paper, scissors me. I'll give him money.
How am I top scoring?
Oh, my second top scoring. Dude, that was a good play. Rock, paper, scissors. Two spies fighting at it. Spy should always pick scissors because that's what they do. Spies are stabby guys. You can't stab with a rock or paper. You only give them paper cuts. Promise you don't bleed on my suit. I'll kill you slowly. Oh, don't ignite this, please. Let me see if I can. Okay, he's gonna. There we go. I got a random crit. We already have a good spy. I'm gonna go demo. I'm gonna go my prized possession. I can aim pretty well with demo. And since I was warming up, you know, scout is like my warm-up class, honestly, because you know he's fast movie, he's all that stuff. He requires aim, but not really. Like his movement is a bit better. Also, I'm not using my my strange items because I kind of want to look at my colorful items instead. Also, I'm trying to learn how to use the boost. You know, you just go around the corner, always charge one up. Guy behind us. Where is he? 2, 3. Okay, did full 100. Okay. Fire, fire, fire. This is gonna be a fast round. He tried to hit me, but he missed. I'm dominating him. Oh. Do. I'm gonna reload.
Get destroyed.
See how he will work. Come on. There we go. High class aiming. He didn't ignite his stickies fast enough. So this is the video. I won't play a second round. I'll make it 1,000,000 hours long.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah, he's dancing. He's dancing. Look at him go. I'm going to be spitting out and drinking some gunpowder. Oh. So I'm gonna disconnecto. You become Gaben himself. Yeah, he's out too. Yeah, I was changing the game volume settings. Anyhow, end the video. I'm not even sure if people watch these anymore. Someone told me to watch them once, and he said, "Hey, you should be making live commentary." So I am, and then I just haven't heard anything about anyone ever anymore. So maybe someone wanted me to do it as like a trendy thing, and then the trend's over, so they don't want me to make them anymore. But I see people are coming and going on my YouTube channel. Someone told me to never stop making videos. I don't. Feels like I'm just wasting up the bandwidth YouTube is having right now. Yeah, so I'm sorry YouTube for littering your channel with this this in general. One day YouTube is gonna be like, I'm sick and tired of all of these disgusting commentaries, just trash is all over my channel. I'm just gonna clean them up, and we're only gonna have toy review channels, Smosh, PewDiePie. That's it. Those are the three guys you only need. We don't need nobody else. Those are the three guys that are making us money. We don't need Yogscast anymore. We don't need um uh I don't Shane Dawson anymore. They're irrelevant. We don't need Fred. No one needs Fred. They can get rid of Fred. No one cares about him anymore. He's irrelevant. Animeme. Yeah, get those guys out. Uh, what? It's over. Video's over. I'm stopping it.